The selected cabinet has a framed door structure. For quick change of elements, we highlight the cabinet and click the Generate icon. In the Door window, we can select from a ready offer. We select Door to and Handle to, smooth with beveled edge. We confirm it and perform rendering. The combination of Door 3 and Handle 3 means smooth door with cylindrical handle. The combination of Door 4 and Handle 1 means molded door with a plug. We change the material of the selected door type. Highlight the elements and select a new material for the door and its edges. Then perform check by rendering.